I'm Rick Weaver, Chief Inspiration Officer of Imageweaver at www.iwcreative.com. In this video, I'm going to show you real quickly just exactly how easy it is to use the Admin eSolutions software product. We're going to use the Webpages module as a tool by which to show you the software. You're going to find that if you need to create web pages, manage web pages, and update web pages really quickly, this is the software to use. Imageweaver is a proud solutions provider of the Admin eSolutions software product. So, let's get started.
Welcome to this snapshot overview of the Admin eSolutions web empowerment software, highlighting just how easy it is to manage and maintain web pages for your website. Today we're going to take a look at the Webpages module. Once we get logged in, we'll scroll down to the Webpages module in the navigation menu on the left and choose Webpages. Once the module loads, you'll see a list of all of the web pages in your website. What you have in this list is your action links on the left, edit, delete, copy, the internal link name of the page, the date it was last modified, and a category that a specific web page sits in. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll go ahead and click on Edit to go inside the page so we can make some quick modifications to it. I have a test page already set up, so let's take a look. Once we're in this page, you'll notice at the top your fields are category, link name, page title, subtitle, and display type. Now, the link name is the internal name in the software that the page is named, and the page title is what is actually going to be displayed on your page on your live website. If you scroll down, then you're going to see the body or content of the page, which sits inside our WYSIWYG text editor, and this is where all of your editing will be done. Before we start making modifications, though, you're going to notice that there are two very separate and distinct views of this page. The visual view, which allows you to see the page as it will appear on your site, and then the HTML view, which allows you to see the coding source information for this page. If you're familiar with HTML, you may choose to work in this area, but most of our clients have little or no HTML knowledge, which makes the visual view the place that you'll spend most of your time. You'll notice I already have some text on this page, and if I wanted to do something very simple like set the font style and size, all I would have to do is select the text that I want to change, go up to the drop down in the text editor, choose the font, and then choose the size. Now, let's say, I also want to go ahead and set the justification because I like things block justified, so we can do that there as well. Now let's say that I want to go ahead and insert an image onto this page. All I do is place my cursor where I want the image to be, go up to the icon for Insert Image, click on it, and a pop-open dialog box will open up, and you'll see all of the directories for where all of the images are stored for your site. All I need to do is navigate to the directory where I want that image to be, or where I know that image is, and then scroll down to the image and click on it. But before I click on it, I actually want to set one alignment option first. I want this image to sit left and have the text wrap around it. So in my Align Graphics drop down, I'm going to choose Align Graphic Left so that my text will wrap around it to the right. Then scroll down and just click on the image that I want to insert onto the page. Make one little edit here. Then scroll down and hit Save. Now, if I were to go up to and click on the actual link name of the page, it will do one of two things. It will either open up a new tab or it will open up a new browser for me, depending upon how your browser settings are set, and it will show me the page on my website. You'll notice there's my page title, there's the image, and all of the text. Now you'll notice also that the text is very, very, very close to the image itself, which we actually would like to separate that image from that text a little bit, which we can do very easily in the software. Let's just go back into that page, edit it, select the image, choose Insert Edit Image, And you'll notice I have spaces available to put in vertical space and horizontal space. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in 10 points for each one so that we can create somewhat of a fake margin around this image. If I scroll to the bottom, hit Save, go back to my test page and reload this test page, you'll notice now that there is in fact a margin around that image separating the text from the image. Now let's do one last thing before we end today. I want to show you just exactly how easy it is to set a hyperlink on this page. I'm going to choose this text at the bottom paragraph, click on my Insert Link icon, tell the software where I want it to link to, which is externally off of our website, and I want it to open in a new window, hit Next, type the URL where I want this to go, and in this case we're going to send it to Google, hit Insert Link, scroll to the bottom, hit Save, go back and refresh my web page, and you'll notice that when I roll my mouse over this text, it does in fact create a hyperlink that if I click on, it will take me directly to Google. Well, that's about it. Thanks for taking a sneak peek at our software. As you can see, using Admin Solutions is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and anyone with basic word processing knowledge using tools like Microsoft Word or even Google Docs can become a Webmaster Pro in no time at all. For more information on how you can get this world-class software for your organization, call us today at 718-544-4851 or visit us on the web at www.iwcreative.com.